Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So recently the government announced that they are going to be upgrading Petrojam. They are going to be spending $2.4 billion to upgrade the facility so that it can generate 12 million barrels of oil a year. 8 million will be for domestic use and 4 million will be to export. So when they export refined oil, the final product, they will generate foreign exchange for Jamaica. So this is a good move because, as you know, Jamaica is going to start drilling for oil. So if Jamaica can drill for oil, bring it up, and send it to the refinery, that would be a game changer. So as much capacity as possible that Petrojam can generate, or yeah, the more barrels it can produce, the better off Jamaica will be. And if they only need 8 million barrels for domestic use, then that will be easily generated from the refinery when they drill for the oil in Jamaica. So we're going to give you an update on what the government has planned. The announcement by Daryl Vaz signals a major shift in how Petrojam is being positioned within Jamaica's long-term energy and economic strategy. With approximately US 15 million or Jamaican 2.4 billion being invested in critical infrastructure upgrades, the government is making it clear that Petrojam remains a vital national asset despite recent financial challenges. According to Vaz, the investment program will focus on strengthening the refinery's reliability, efficiency, and long-term competitiveness. Planned upgrades include electrical system improvements, expanded storage capacity, new pipeline installations, and major rehabilitation work on two important furnaces. Additional projects, such as a new asphalt storage tank and pipeline installations at Berth 2 in Montego Bay, are also expected to improve fuel distribution and operational flexibility. One of the most significant parts of the program will be a scheduled 90-day refinery turnaround. This maintenance and upgrade exercise is designed to improve fuel quality, reduce unexpected shutdowns, and increase operational efficiency. An independent technical assessment is also being conducted to examine long-term modernization options that could help Petrojam remain competitive at a time when refinery capacity across the Caribbean region continues to decline. Vaz emphasized that Petrojam's importance extends beyond Jamaica. As one of the few remaining operational petroleum refineries in the Caribbean, the facility has growing strategic value for regional energy security. Jamaica's geographic location gives the country an opportunity to become a stronger energy hub for neighboring territories that rely heavily on imported refined petroleum products. The refinery export potential is also becoming increasingly important. Petrojam projects sales of 12.21 barrels during the 2026-27 financial year, with approximately 7.2 million barrels allocated to the local market and 4.9 million barrels intended for export. This export activity could generate valuable foreign exchange earnings while supporting regional fuel supply chains. Alright guys, that's the end of the update. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.